Hold on to your seats for a wild courtroom ride. Stephen Burrows is in hot water, accused of violating probation by testing positive for alcohol 4 times. He blames makeup from his DJ and TikTok gigs, but the judge isn't buying it. Will his excuse hold up, or will he face jail? Stay tuned for a dramatic showdown.
All right, let's roll, nerds. He's still consuming alcohol, Mike.
That's what I'm saying. He's here to tell you, I don't believe that's the case. He swears up and down he didn't.
I have a scram.
I understand that. And he puts a crazy amount of makeup on him, and the alcohol, I gave you the pictures of it also. It's called alcohol what's it called? Hang on. He can explain to you, but I have it here.
I have pictures of
The nature alcohol can be mistaken for alcohol consumption. I know.
I have these pictures. It has no date.
To give you context to it, I have the dates here. Those are just pictures of the close-up makeup. But he was DJing on those particular dates, and I have it right here because I was trying to get up in the club.
And I guess drinking while DJing, right?
No, he said he wasn't. I mean, you talk to him. I wasn't there. It was DJ Sydney Ray, October 31st at this place, and that was the day in question. And then this is October. This one, I'm sorry.
Okay, so
October 27th.
I have here that you're consuming alcohol. I have here that the consumption is October 26th.
Yeah, that's the
October 30th.
And
November 9th. Oh, and October 9th. So
that was, yeah.
I have 4 different events that you're consuming alcohol.
So for October 9th, Your Honor, that was whenever you told me to put the scram on, and I put the scram on right after that. And then those.
Whoa, 4 alcohol violations? Stephen Burrows is skating on thin ice. His scram device, a bracelet that detects alcohol in sweat, flagged him on October 9th, 26th, 30th, and November 9th. Legal note, probation violations can lead to revocation, meaning jail time for the original offense. Emotional stakes. Burrows insists it's makeup, not booze, from his DJ and TikTok cosplay gigs. But a 0-point airweight reading, equivalent to 6 drinks? That's a tough sell. Do you buy his story, or is he dodging accountability? Let's see how the judge reacts to this bold defense.
3 days.
So you're allegedly consuming alcohol the day I tell you to put it on.
No, he did it. That's the day, and then he put it on. No, that's the violation. We addressed that.
I have a positive for alcohol on the 9th of October.
Not from the scram, I think.
Yes.
October 26th.
I sent him on 10/9. So Felicia,
Yes, sir.
so we sent him for a POC test on 10/9 on that time. Did he test positive for alcohol?
Yes, sir.
Why on earth are we just now getting the violation?
The violation
No.
was already addressed.
That was addressed.
Yes, that violation was already addressed in our previous BVR. They started to put it in that section, that's why I didn't highlight it, but
Did I address that BVR?
yes, and that's when we amended the conditions to put a scram.
Okay, so now we have alcohol consumption as a second violation on top of all this.
For the scram itself.
I've been very grateful for the second chance you gave me. That was from the makeup that I applied to myself, and I was just ignorant to the fact that that would actually set off my scram device, but I have not consumed another alcohol beverage at all. Those are also the days that I was working, I was entertaining. I did not consume another alcohol beverage at all. So I've been very grateful. I'm not stupid. I wouldn't consume another alcoholic beverage after you put the scram device.
Mr. Burrows, I told you at every single stage of this game, do not put anything into your body that could be positive for alcohol. It is your responsibility to know what you can and cannot use. You're old enough to know that actions have consequences.
Yes,
and
sir.
here we are. I've already let you go one time with a positive for alcohol. When I told you not to consume, you literally tested positive on the day that we sent you for the test. And now we have another 3 positives for alcohol.
The judge is losing patience. Burrows' claim that makeup caused his scram to detect alcohol at a 0.08 level is met with skepticism. Legal note, scram devices are highly accurate, detecting alcohol through skin, not just ingestion, but makeup alone causing such a high reading is unlikely. Emotional stakes. The judge gave him a second chance, but these repeated violations scream defiance. Is Burrows naive about his products, or is this a blatant lie to avoid jail? Should the judge revoke his probation now? Drop your thoughts as we head to the final clash.
I don't think that's the part. The other parts, yeah, but the first part, that's not. He didn't test positive.
He tested positive 10-9.
No, that was.
It was a positive urinalysis test, and because of that, we amended the.
And because of that, I amended the conditions. I did not put him in jail. I put the scram on him.
Yeah, but we addressed that he didn't go in and like.
I got it.
It's not two tests, is what I'm trying to say.
Okay,
You're right.
but he's continuing to consume.
So, yeah.
Stephen,
The scram reports are also in your email. I'm not sure if you viewed them, but we got the notice of the records as well for all of those dates.
have you seen that?
I have whatever I was sent yesterday.
That's it.
I'm sorry, Mr. Burrows. What am I supposed to do? Just let you go again?
No, sir, I'm not asking to, and I did not consume any alcohol. It was just yes, sir, the products that I put on, and I just was not aware that that was set off that. And it was makeup, sir. That's all it was. I didn't consume an alcohol beverage at all.
That party is 10:31, and I have here 10:26, 10:30, and you're telling me that you put this makeup on November 9th? Is that what you're trying to tell me?
Yes, sir. It's for my TikTok, and I have the videos of it also, sir. I do cosplay, and I just put on those products, and that was the sweat from it. I had no idea that would actually get inside my blood system and and set that off.
You have levels?
Yes, they're in the scram report.
What is it?
I have.
It's like a peak of 0.08, and then. So,
He's a .08.
Yes.
You're telling me that makeup made you a .08?
Yes, sir. And those are the days I was at work.
I don't believe it for a second.
I even have.
I don't believe it for a second. I'm sorry. A
understand.
.08 because of makeup?
Yes, sir. I understand. I promise you I have not consumed alcohol at all.
I'm sorry, dude.
I
That's
understand.
it.
Yes, sir. I understand.
With you?
I understand, yes, sir.
And possibly believe that makeup is going to make you as intoxicated as having 6 to 8 drinks. Sorry, Mike.
What a jaw-dropping face-off. Stephen Burrows' probation hangs by a thread after 4 scram alcohol violations, which he blames on makeup from DJing and TikTok cosplay. Legal note. A 0.08 reading is serious, equivalent to heavy drinking, and could trigger probation revocation, landing him in jail for his original offense. Emotional stakes. The judge's frustration is palpable. Burrows' excuse strains credibility, risking his second chance. Is he genuinely clueless about alcohol-based products or hiding a relapse? Should the judge show leniency or lock him up? If you found this case as shocking as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.